Hello and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with a new video. So in this video I'm just going to share to you like why I make my own videos, why I make myself videos for learning English language, why I can't speak with some other peoples for improving my communication skills. So in this video I'm just going to share to you all those things. So I can say that for learning English language, definitely you all guys know that practice really plays an important role in speaking English language. That's why only I like talking about why I don't speak much with the partners or with the co-learners to improve my communication skill nowadays. The reason behind it that I'm not able to find that much of the peoples to speak with other, and definitely if I speak with someone others, then I would not able to find some other topics, some new topics to enhance my communication skill. Definitely they just speak on a casual conversations. That's why I'm not able to improve my communication skills. So for that reason only, I have just left to speak much with the co-learners or with the partners, because there is necessary to explore much ideas for improving our communication skills. But the people, they ask in a limited way that how about your journey about the English language, how you had to improve your communication skills and the things like this only. But if we make our own videos, like me, I'm just making my own videos. Now I'm also recording in front of me, I'm just speaking in front of you by recording these videos. So it's really very uncomfortable. Like if you will record your own video, then it feels very uncomfortable, because you see your own photos, you see your own face in front of you, and just to speak whatever you are knowing, this is really very embarrassing. But I just think whatever the conversation, whatever the things I'm conveying in front of you is the right way, is the good way to improve our communication skills, because it will help to enhance the communication skills and will also enhance our confidence. We could speak in a confident way without hesitation, without fearing. That's why it is necessary to speak in front of camera. That's why I always face in front of camera. If you also have the fear in like in public, if you are not able to speak in public, then there is also necessary to have the conversation like this. If you will record your own video, then it will help to enhance your communication skills. I can also say, like, when my journey of the English language has been started since earlier time, now I can say that it's good improvement I have seen in myself by doing this kind of works, because I have not achieved the fluency at that much. I have not achieved the fluency much, but I can speak with a confident English language. I can tackle all the problems. I can express my thoughts with confidently with the peoples. Whatever the things knowing, whatever the things I'm knowing, even though if I know the wrong English, broken English, whatever the things I'm not able, if I am not able to convey the message also, then I just be confident in speaking English language. You should also be confident in speaking English language, because if you will confident in speaking English language, then you will then other people, they will don't think that the people, they are just breaking down in speaking English language, and they are just not confident in speaking English language. So for that, there is necessary to be consistent. Yeah, as in every video I just mentioned that they should be consistent in speaking English language, and you should also record your own videos. If you are just not able to record through any reason, then definitely you could go in front of mirror and could practice English language in front of mirror. It will also enhance your communication skills. But talking about recordings, if you will just only comfortable in your audio calls, in talking with the audio calls with the people, then definitely you would not able to speak well English language like the other foreigner peoples. So definitely there is needed that you should have to practice with the co-learners, or if you are not finding the co-learners, then just record your videos, just express your own thoughts, because a time will come that you were able to speak a well English language, because people don't think that people, they will not see your struggles, people, they not see you how much you are sacrificing for achieving your success. People, they will just see their result. People, they will see your result at how good you are on any other topic. So that's why I can say also you should have to practice a lot. For that definitely you should follow some tips, as I have already make videos, as I have already made videos for improving communication skills, what the tips we can follow. So if you want to just watch, then just go on that videos and can watch it. So I have already mentioned that I just make my own videos. The purpose is that if I will make my videos, then definitely I could also learn, I could also improve my communication skills, and with me also you could also improve your communication skills by watching the videos. So that's why the main reason is this only, and I'm just creating my videos. So for this reason only, that's why I used to upload the videos on my channels. And the main thing is that I want to teach to you all like how to speak English language. I don't think in myself that you should not face that much of the problem that I have faced while speaking English language, while starting the English language, because it took time to replace for something new. That's why there is needed a lots of practice and should have the lots of hard work. So I'm not demotivating to you, I'm just motivating to you that you could do anything for achieving your success, for achieving your learning English language. Definitely you could achieve a good improvement. You are speaking a good in a good way, you are a good speaker, you could achieve a good improvement in your communication skills, but there is needed some practice and be consistent. Then definitely you could achieve a good improvement in communication and skills. So if you will follow, then definitely you could achieve a good improvement in your communication skills. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.